First statements. The member from Beach is East York.
Thank you, Mr. Speaker. An epic battle between Toronto's two top rugby clubs, Balmy Beach and Toronto Scottish, occurred last Saturday for Ontario men's rugby's oldest and most sought-after prize, the McCormick Cup. Held at Fletcher's Field in Markham, this contest is a long-standing tradition in Ontario rugby. But I must confess to a small conflict, Mr. Speaker, since my daughter Robin has played for the Scottish, whereas the Beachers are in my riding. But now that I have joined the Balmy Beach Club, I guess we'll be cheering for different teams. Now, the McCormick Cup is a prize for Rugby Ontario's Marshall Premiership League for the first teams, and allows the winner to boast that they're the best rugby team in Ontario. The Cup is named for former Rugby Ontario President Vic McCormick, one of the great builders of the sport in our province. The McCormick Cup has been won 13 times by Balmy Beach, but last Saturday they beat Scottish decisively 27-22, hoisting it for the 14th time. But that's not all. Two top cups were won that day. The Gage Cup, the trophy for the seconds, was also won by Balmy Beach, a decisive victory of 38-25, again over the Scottish. The Beachers' head coach, Bruce Gage, was son of Tubbs and Gee, who their local field is named after. They worked very hard to make rugby what it is in Ontario today. And I say the double victory has never happened before. It's a true testament to the depth of the club. A hard-fought battle. Great job, boys. Up the beach.